Ever been in a glass catastrophe? A shattered door, a cracked window, a storefront disaster, or worse? Accidents happen, but the solution is simple. At Quality Window and Glass Repair, we specialize in fixing all glass-related issues, big or small. Whether it's a broken shower door, a damaged skylight, or a cracked tabletop, we've got you covered. From residential services like custom mirrors, patio door glass replacements, and shower enclosures to commercial needs like storefront installations, glass railings, and glass door repairs, Quality Window and Glass Repair does it all with precision and care. With over 330 satisfied customers and a 5-star rating, we're proud to be Maryland, Virginia, and Washington, D.C.'s trusted choice for glass repair and replacement. Our skilled technicians ensure every job is done right, leaving your home or business looking flawless. Don't let broken glass ruin your day. Call Quality Window and Glass Repair now or visit us online to schedule your service. Glass repair made simple. That's the quality promise.